So, hi dear Taurus, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal of reading for all the Taurus Sun, Moon, Venus rising from today till the 8th of December for those who are in complete no contact or no communication and wants to know what's going on the other side. If it is not resonating, it's not your story. The roles can be reversed also. The action can be from your side also. Okay, please keep that in mind. It's very important. Now, if you want to be a professional tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same. It has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that, it's the best self healing modality of the whole universe. And if you want one on one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can book your slots. So let's start. Taurus, the person that you have no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now. We have the Two of Pentacles, the Queen of Swords, the Knight of Cups. Okay, so this person is feeling they are no longer confused. They are no longer in any kind of dilemma, up and down, on and off kind of energy. They feel love towards you. Now, this person is feeling like they should come towards you with message, communication, apology, with some kind of peaceful solution to the problem that you guys were facing in the situation. If this person left you for something else or someone else, now they have big regrets about doing that, and they definitely feel the energy of coming back towards you or at least apologizing to you for whatever they did with you. But this person is no longer emotionally confused about what they feel for you. They feel the love, they feel the connection, they feel like they should come towards you, at least have a proper communication with you so that you guys can, let it go with love, with compassion, rather than revenge and anger or resentment. Somebody feels like apologizing to you for whatever they did with you, whatever messed up or fuck up they did. Mess up or fuck up, yeah, whatever the hell. Okay, so they are in this energy of, okay, now I can see where I went wrong. It could be you, could be them, take it to how it resonates with you, but someone is seeing very clearly where they went wrong in the situation, and they feel like coming towards you with some kind of message, communication, apology, with all of their heart and soul. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, honey? Taurus. We have the Queen of Wands, the Four of Wands, the Eight of Swords. Yeah. See, they want to understand whether they are just attracted to the idea of being with you, or they really want to be with you for the rest of their life, like for a long-term partnership, for a stable connection, a commitment kind of energy. So they want to come out of this mental jail of continuously trying to understand what they exactly feel for you and what they exactly want from you. They want to understand whether it's just an infatuation, just an attraction towards you, towards your personality, or they seriously want to be with you for the long term. They want to understand this concept within themselves, and they want to come out of this mental jail that they're continuously living in regarding their feelings for you, regarding what they exactly want from you. So they want to clear the air within themselves about exactly what they feel for you and exactly what they want from you. Is this infatuation, or is this something that they're feeling on a deeper level? Okay. Let's see what action is this person going to take towards you, if any, by the 8th of December, honey. We have the Three of Cups, the Seven of Swords, the Three of Pentacles. Oh God. Oh God. See, I do see somebody trying to enter in your life, but they are not single, and or they are keeping their options open, and or they are hiding something from you big time that they don't want to get revealed to you at any cost. It's like this person is definitely dealing with somebody else also, or they're keeping their options open while they are trying to connect or reconnect with you, and they are going to pretend like nothing is happening behind your back. Taurus, I'm sorry to burst your bubble here. If you're living in some kind of bubble that someone is dying for you, yes, they have this energy of still having feelings for you, still having love for you, and wanting to apologize to you. But I don't see this person's energies shifting from being manipulative or being whatever they did with you to this complete correction of, oh, I am completely single and I'm committed to you, and I'm going to spend the rest of my life with you. No, no, they are still the same as they used to be. They are still a game player, they are still a manipulator, they are still hiding some things from you. Maybe they are not with somebody else right now, but they have big secrets, some secrets that they never want you to know. Hmm? and they are still in this energy of hiding things from you that you should know as a partner, as a lover. So I don't think it's a good energy. Somebody will try to manipulate your energies in some way to get back to you. Now it's up to you what you're going to do. Guidance, two of swords. If you are not sure what to do about this situation, let this time pass, let this phase pass. When you are going to be clear about what you exactly want and what is exactly coming out of the situation for you, then only decide to go further or put a full stop. That's completely up to you, right, honey? But don't make any kind of decision in any kind of confusion or any kind of blockage in your intuition regarding this situation, please. Cool. So thank you so much for tuning in, Taurus. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.